Hello viewers, today we are going to learn how to divide polynomials. This is the first video in this series. This video we are going to learn how to divide a monomial by a monomial. The rules of division and multiplication are true for polynomials also. So let's get started. So here we have the expression 8a to the power 5 divided by 2a to the power 3. So as we reduce fractions, similarly we write the monomials like this, and then we will write it like a to the power 5 and 2 times a to the power 3. Now first divide the constant by a constant. So this will be 2 times 1 and 2 times 4. So this is 4 and a 5 minus 3. Here we are using the rule of exponent. When any term with an exponent is divided, then their powers get subtracted. So here numerator power minus the denominator power. So this is going to be 4a, which is 5 minus 3 is 2. So 4a square is the answer. Now let's see another example here, which is 15x cube over minus 5x. So here we'll write it like 15 times x cube and minus 5 times x. So 15 and 5 are constants. So 5 times 3 is 15. So we will write 3. But there is a negative sign. So that will go with the number here. And x times 3 minus 1. The power of the x in the denominator is 1. So 3 minus 1 is the power of the x when we bring it to the numerator. So this is minus 3x square. So our answer is minus 3x square. Now let's do our last example here in this video. So we have minus 30n cube divided by 3n. So we will write it as minus 30 times n cube over 3 times n. So 3 get cancelled, 30 get cancelled by 3. So this is going to be minus 10. And sign will be there, my negative sign will be there. And n will be minus 3 minus 1. The power of n will be 3 minus 1. So this is minus 10 n square. So our answer is going to be minus 10 n square. So this is how we divide a monomial by a monomial. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share my videos. Thanks for watching.